Hi. In the last session, we studied our first key role in the retail business, and that was the function of real estate. In this session, we would look at another key role in retail, and that is the function of buying or merchandising. This is perhaps the most vital function in any retail business. Earlier, we had looked at our target customer, which happened to be a mid-income family of a disposable income of rupees 10,000. We had identified one of the shopping needs of this family, and that was the regular monthly grocery that it does, which constitutes 20% of its disposable income or 2,000 rupees per month. Our retail team had identified this as a market where we could address the needs of the customers and serve them profitably. Hence, we had designed an appropriate format to address the same need. The role of the real estate function was to help us to identify sites where we can reach our target customers and serve them and make profits. The next step is to debundle this shopping need into the set of baskets that build it. It begins with identifying the categories which are typically bought in this shopping need. So let us begin to examine that. The first category bought in any monthly grocery is obviously food. Food might include items in staples like cereals, wheat, rice, or processed food like pasta, sauces, pickles, jam, or confectionery like chocolates and even biscuits. The next key category is household needs, which would typically include categories like detergents, soaps, kitchen dusters, and toothpaste, among other various categories. Then, this shopping need would also contain categories from general merchandise like electronics, toys, apparel, and stationery. Each of these categories has its own industry dynamics, where their manufacturers are, how it is produced, how it is bought, and how it is sold. For example, staple categories like rice and wheat are not bought and sold the same way as electronic categories like televisions would be. Hence, each of these categories needs to be handled as a separate business, and we need an expert within the retail business to understand the dynamics of this category and to help us buy and sell these items. This role is played by the buyer or the merchandiser. Let us now look at a video to have a brief overview of the role a buyer plays in any retail business.